Hello everyone. So in today's video, let's make a paper frame. So you need to take the dimensions of the picture you have, and then you need to add 9.6 centimeter. Need to add 9.6 centimeter to the length and breadth. So I got a new dimension here. This is the dimension that we are going to take for making the frame, right? We marked 1 centimeter, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can see the doors. Okay, I have done it for all the sides like this. Okay, mark 4 centimeters here. Now let's join everything together. Now we have to cut these squares. Now I am going to mark 1 centimeter here, just like this, and on the other line like this. Okay, now I'm going to join both of these lines. Okay, now join this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, now let's cut this portion. Okay, now we have to repeat this step here, here and here. So I will do that now. Okay, as you can see, we have done here. Now next step is to fold through all these lines. Okay, as we drew lines, it will be a little easier to fold all of the lines like this. Repeat the process everywhere. I have folded all of the lines. Okay, now our frame is almost ready. Let's start assembling it. So first fold this portion like this. Okay, then fold this portion into this pockets that we have created like this. One side is ready. Now it's time to insert the photo. So when you're inserting, make sure you are inserting it in the center. Okay, only 0.2 centimeter of the photo from each side will be tucked in, so that it will have a finishing, but most of the area of the photo will not be covered if you do in this method. And you do like that, then fold the rest of the portion slowly. Okay, while tightening it, make sure the photo is in the center and then tighten it just like this. If you want to use some glue to make it firm, that also you can do. for me this is fine because I might be changing the picture. So our frame is ready. It's really beautiful. It came out perfect. So our frame is ready. Try this idea. This is super easy to make. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.